Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys how to save contact number in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to save contact number in your mobile, so friends, how to save number one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone call setting. After okay phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, click here and friends click here dialog and friends enter number, which number you want to save. Example guys, this is number and friends you want to save in your Redmi mobile. So how to save number, friends click here create new contact and friends you can click here also add to contact, click here create new contact, click here and enter name. So friends, I will enter home and once you want to add an emoji, so you can add from here my home and I will save and friends number will save. Friends come back, friends click here contact and friends you can check this contact my home and friends you can check date also 18 April I save this number in my mobile. So like that friends, we can save contact number in Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to edit contact number, you want to save photo on contact number, you can save photo, select your photos and you want to save any photo, so select photo, you can save photo. And friends, you want to edit contact number, you can edit contact number, you want to change name, so you can change name also, save here contact number will edit. And friends, you want to set ringtone on this number, so friends select ringtone, which ringtone you have downloaded ringtone, music ringtone you have, click here and select your ringtone. Okay option is ringtone will set this number. Bye friends, thanks for watching.